Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to the study guide for data engineering on Microsoft Azure. Let's take a look on how you can prepare for the exam. Data engineering on Microsoft Azure is designed for candidates with proficiency in data processing languages. This can be SQL, Python, or Scala. They must be familiar with parallel processing and data architecture patterns. Furthermore, they must have skills for integrating, transforming, and consolidating data from various structured and unstructured data systems into a structure suitable for building analytics solutions. Azure Data Engineer role and responsibilities. Firstly, Azure data engineers help stakeholders in understanding the data through exploration. Secondly, they have the skills to build and maintain secure and compliant data processing pipelines by using different tools and techniques. Thirdly, they have familiarity with Azure data services and languages for storing and producing datasets for analysis. Fourthly, they ensure that data pipelines and data stores are high-performing, efficient, organized, and reliable. Lastly, they handle unanticipated issues swiftly and minimize data loss. And they are also responsible for designing, implementing, monitoring, and optimizing data platforms for meeting the data pipeline's needs. Exam Learning Path. Microsoft provides access to its learning path designed according to the exam. These learning paths consist of topics that contain various modules with details about the concept. Candidates can explore these modules to understand the concepts. For the Microsoft DP-203 exam, the modules include 1. Azure for the data engineer. 2. Storing data in Azure. 3. Data integration at scale with Azure Data Factory or Azure Synapse Pipeline. 4. Using Azure Synapse Analytics for integrated analytical solutions and working with data warehouses. 5. Performing data engineering using Azure Synapse Apache Spark pools. 6. Hybrid transactional and analytical processing solutions working process with using Azure Synapse Analytics. 7. Data engineering with Azure Databricks. 8. Large-scale data processing with Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. 9. Implementing a data streaming solution with Azure Streaming Analytics. Microsoft DP-203 exam will have 40 to 60 questions that can be in a format like scenario-based single-answer questions, multiple-choice questions, arranged in the correct sequence type questions, or drop type of questions. There will be a time limit of 130 minutes to complete the exam, and the passing score is a minimum of 700. Further, the Microsoft DP-203 exam will cost $165, and the exam can be taken in only the English language. Microsoft provides a course outline for the DP-203 exam that covers the major sections for getting better understanding during the preparation time. The topics are: 1. Design and implement data storage. 2. Design and develop data processing. 3. Design and implement data security. 4. Monitor and optimize data storage and data processing. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.